Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the general app review in order to see if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The general app makes managing your card insurance pretty convenient. You can pay bills, view your digital ID card, and file claim. You can also check policy information right from your phone. It got a design and support multiple ways to log in, including biometric and social option. That said, some user report login bug, app crashes, and frustration access ID card or managing vehicle details. Also, while the app is linked for basic tasks, more complex issues like claim or billing compliance comes up in user's review. In my opinion, if you are already insured with the general, the app is worth using for convenient and day-to-day policy management, but don't rely on it to fully streamline every aspect of interacting with your insurer, especially for complicated claims or service issues. And that's it. I find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure to subscribe for more review. You're welcome.